How to insert footnotes in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you easiest way. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open Google Docs. So okay guys, here we are. So this is my one documents I have already opened, and what you need to do, just click the that contain at last, or you can simply keep the cursor on starting of this line or paragraphs. And now go to the insert, and here you can see the option called footnote, and here you can see the shortcut key, which is control plus alt plus F. So you can use this option to insert the click footnote quickly. Okay, just click on it. Now the quick note has been inserted on footer, and this is a footnote has been inserted here. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.